This is the Viridian Venta, a compact, high-performance green dot designed for speed and clarity. In this video, we'll walk you through the unboxing, installation, and setup. Inside the box, you'll find a Venta Optic attached to its 1.41-inch T2 co-witness mount, a CR 2032 battery, a set of adjustment tools, a lens cleaning cloth, a soft lens cover, and your quick start guide. Let's install your battery. The Venta uses a single CR 2032 battery. Unscrew the battery cap on the side, install the battery with the positive side facing out, and tighten the cap securely. To install the Venta on your rifle, ensure the firearm is clear and safe. Place the mount on your Picatinny rail at your desired position and tighten to 30-inch pounds using the included tool. To power on, press the brightness buttons. The Venta features 10 brightness settings, including 2 ultra-dim night vision modes, designed to be used with night vision. It also features Viridian's instant-on technology, meaning the optic will sleep to save power and wake up the moment it senses motion. To zero your optic, use the top turret for elevation and the side turret for windage. Each click provides 1 MOA of adjustment. We recommend an initial zero at 25 yards to get on paper before refining your point of impact at your preferred distance. The Venta is IPX7 waterproof and built from 6061 T6 aluminum to handle every environment. For more information, visit ViridianWeaponTech.com.